How to see when you became friends on Facebook. So in this video I'll show you step by step on how to see or how to know when you became friend with someone. Now often go to menu. Under this menu, as you can see, now scroll to down, go to see more. So in this see more, now go to friends. After you open friends, now you can tap on this see all. So in this section, now you can tap on this, as you can see now, this three dot. So in this section, now you can tap on this view sent request. So these are the all people that I send their friend request, but they did not accept my friend request. So if you tap on his profile, so as you can see now here it says friend request. So the person doesn't accept my friend request. So if the person accept your friend request, you can go back again. So open the, as you can see now, friend section. In this section you can tap on this your friends, this one. So all these people are my friends. As you can see now, you can search for the person name in this section. So if I tap open the person like this, so as you can see now, here is the name. As you can see, it says friends. So that's the only method you can be able to see if you became friend with someone. You see the friends instead of cancel request. That's it guys, on how to know or how to see if you became friend with someone on Facebook. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching guys.